the last time you traveled? Did you wish your hands were free and you had less luggage? Imagine not needing to pack a secondary bag or to check a suitcase. Did you know that on average, US airlines lose approximately 2 million suitcases each year? Boarding the plane, not having to fight for overhead storage. Did you wish you had freedom of a backpack that was light and easy to carry with all the essential items that you needed? Here are a few tips for one bag travel. When choosing a backpack, it's important to pick something smaller that will fit neatly under your seat or in the overhead bin without taking too much space. When packing for one bag travel, with clothing, you pick articles that will work well with each other. Not specific outfits, but shirts that will go with whichever pants you wear. The easiest way to cut down on bulk in your backpack is to limit the amount of clothes you're bringing. Having synthetic or wool fabrics allows you to wear articles of clothing for multiple days before having to do laundry. I have a merino wool t-shirt from Unbound Merino that I can wear 3 or 4 days before I even have to consider washing it. Quality pants like these from Western Rise are very casual looking but are easy to dress up. I tend to go with a comfortable pair of shoes that still can be dressed up a bit. The bag I have is an Osprey 26+6 Daylight backpack. This is a 26-liter backpack that can unzip and expand another 6 liters if you need additional space. Opening the bag, you can see everything is neatly laid out. Inside the pack, I have one large Peak Design packing cube, which holds all of my clothing. I have a small roll from Osprey for my toiletry bag, and I have a small Diddy pouch, which has my electronics and personal items. This packing cube is from Peak Designs. It's their large size, and I really appreciate the rip top open. I planned on doing laundry midweek. Inside you can see I have a linen button-up t-shirt along with 2 more black t-shirts, 3 pairs of socks, and 3 pairs of underwear. Everything packs in nicely to the packing cube. One other feature that I really do appreciate is a pouch on the back side of the cube for holding your dirty clothes. Inside my Diddy pouch, I have a little sound machine for the kids to help them go to sleep, a container of pills and medicine, another set of charging cables for my devices, along with a small charging brick that has USB-A and C. Got some medicine, band-aids, personal care items, everything that I need quick and easy that I use on a daily basis. A toiletry roll from Osprey. I've got all the essentials organized in different spaces based on when I'd be using them. Top is grooming, middle is teeth care, and the bottom is deodorant, beard balm, and other things. I also usually carry a water bottle. This is a soft flask, which I really appreciate. It's got enough rigidity so when it's filled up it doesn't just flop over, but having a nice lightweight water bottle when you travel is appreciated. I also brought a small umbrella as we weren't sure what the weather was going to be. As you can see, everything packs easily back into the backpack with plenty of room to spare. Recently I picked up a hero clip that I've really appreciated having. When going to the bathroom at an airport, I'm able to easily hang my backpack from a coat hanger to keep it off the ground. Once I get to a hotel or Airbnb, I can hang it in the closet to keep the backpack off the ground and reduce the clutter in the space. I appreciate you watching. And if you have any other tips or tricks on one bag travel, please let me know in the comments.